Hi guys, my name is Li. Today I'm going to talk about the software solution of our project. The recommendation system frontend is built using Angular, JavaScript, SCIS, and HTML. The API is built on the Django REST framework. The backend is built using the Python and PostgreSQL. So we send HTTP request from frontend to API. Then we're using the API to connect to PostgreSQL database. For the frontend, we have a chatbox HTML to display the survey and the result HTML to show the query result. And this, we have the corresponding set file, we have the controller to manipulate the data in HTML written by Angular JavaScript. In addition, we also store and connect to database, sorting the query result in frontend. We use the function store survey to store survey to database, and the function data mining survey to send HTTP request to API and get the ranked property method to sort the query results. Let's say after a user logs into the Breeze home, he may start to chat with an agent about what kind of property he wants or get some suggestion from the agent. So let's say agent may ask the user like what's your budget, and on the other browser, if a user answers like 300,000, then as an agent, he may know the ideal budget of the user is 300,000. Then what we do is the agent can open the survey, like fill the 300,000 budget for the user. To save some time, I just fill this survey by myself. Let's say we have a 1990 and square feet about 1,500, and we have a 33 and zip code maybe 33172. Then we load the pies. So the chat box on the left means the user can customize what attribute of the property he or she cares most or most interested in. So if he chooses price as the most important attribute of properties he cares, we will sort the result based on the price from low to high. After we click the send, we send the current survey to the API, and the API connect to the database to store this new survey. And on the database, we will store the new survey using the model, the serializer, and the view. So it is written by Django framework, and we also need to define the URL to connect between the frontend and the backend. So for the backend, we have several classes written by Python to implement our data mining work. So first, we read history data, use read history data method, and we use the create tree method to store this history surveys. We use the encoding decoding method to transform int data to interval, and we use the form combination method to generate query candidate. So after we click the send, we will direct to the result HTML page, and the result is shown. You can see that all the result is similar to the current survey, and it was sorted by the price from low to high. And then I will show another demo. Let's say a user may choose a similar one. This is the same one as the previous, and the difference is we want to sort the results by square feet. Let's see what happened there. Then we can see these are the properties which is similar to the survey, and we sort all the property based on the square feet from high to low. Basically, that's the process of how our recommendation system works. Thank you for watching it.